Module 1 Basic Safety Trade Terms Quiz Exam Questi, Maximum Allowable Slope. To prevent a cave-in, follow OSHA regulations 4 up a trench, welding shield. A protective screen set up when other workers are in the same area you are welding in, signaler. Used to direct you when unable to see to your rear while operating a vehicle, on a job site, shoring. LF a scaffold is more than 10 feet high, or pieces of wood or metal placed diagonally from the bottom of one rail to the top of another rail that add support to a structure must be used. Electrical distribution panel. Houses the circuits that distribute electricity throughout a structure. Switch enclosures. Houses electrical switches used to regulate and distribute electricity in a building. Respirator. Provides clean air for breathing. Combustible. Store liquids in safety cans to avoid the risk of permit required confined space. Before working in you must be trained, obtain written authorization, and take the necessary precautions. Top rail. A horizontal board used at top level on all open sides of scaffolding and platforms. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. To save lives, prevent injuries, and protect the health of America's workers, the publishes rules and regulations that employees and employers must follow. Flash burn. Caused by, even brief, exposure to ultraviolet light from arc welding, lockout/tagout. A formal procedure for taking equipment out of service and ensuring it cannot be operated until a qualified person has returned it to service. Arc welding. The process of joining metal parts by fusion. Hazard Communication Standard, HAZCOM. An OSHA rule requiring all contractors to educate their employees about the hazardous chemicals they may be exposed to, on the job site. Foot candle. A unit of measure of the intensity of light falling on a surface, equal to 1 lumen per square foot and originally defined with reference to a standardized candle burning at 1 foot from a given source. Flashpoint. The temperature when fuel gives off enough gases to burn. Flashback. Caused by improperly mixing fuel. Proximity work. When doing this, you must be careful not to come into contact with the nearby hazard. Dross. The cutting process results in oxides that mix with molten iron and produce Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS. Refer to the to learn about how to handle hazardous substances. Towboard. A vertical barrier used at floor level on scaffolds to prevent materials from falling. Apparatus. An assembly of machines used to do a particular job. SCBA is an example of this. Confined space. Is large enough to work in but has limited means of entry or exit. Sometimes a permit is required to work in it. Qualified person. A_N__________ has proven her extensive knowledge, training, and experience and has successfully demonstrated the ability to solve problems related to the work. Guarded. An opening in a wall or floor is a safety hazard and must be either covered or _____________. Stepladder. A self-supporting ladder made of two sections hinged at the top. Ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI. A device that interrupts and de-energizes an electrical circuit to protect a person from electrocution. Windsock. Tells you which way the wind is blowing. Flammable. Because ____________ scrap materials catch fire and burn easily, remove them regularly from the work area. 6-foot rule. A general construction rule that states fall protection is required anytime you are working 6 feet above a lower level. Spall. A chip or fragment of rock/soil that has broken off from the main mass. Planked. When a work area has pieces of material at least 2 inches thick and 6 inches wide used as flooring, decking, or scaffolding. Scaffolds. Two basic types of this are manufactured and rolling. Trench. A narrow excavation made below the surface of the ground that is generally deeper than it is wide. Cross bracing. Placed halfway between the toeboard and the top rail, on a scaffold. Competent person. A_________ identifies unsanitary, hazardous, or dangerous working conditions and has the authority to correct or eliminate them. Arc. Never look at the ________ caused by welding without proper eye protection. Slag. The waste material from welding operations. Extension ladder. Basically two straight ladders that are connected so the length of the ladder can be changed. Lanyard. If doing work 6 or more feet above the ground, this must be worn with a safety harness and attached to a strong anchor point. Ground. The conducting connection between electrical equipment or an electrical circuit and the earth. Safety culture. A good helps prevent or correct conditions that can cause accidents. Straight ladder. Non-adjustable and consists of 2 rails, rungs between the rails, and safety feet on the bottom of the rails. Concealed receptacles. Use only approved _________ for plugs. Maximum intended load. Exceeding the ________ of a ladder which can cause ladder failure, also known as overloading. Excavation. Any man-made cut, cavity, trench, or depression in an earth surface, formed by removing earth. Hemline. Used to pull up your tools when climbing a ladder or scaffold.